Hi viewers, this is Dr. Jana. You are watching video with me on how to develop an app without using any coding. So in this video, as per the request of so many viewers, I am going to tell you the use of Kodular creator or Kodular creator and how to develop the different apps of your choice. So for that, what you need to do, you open any browser and you type there kodular.io/creator, and you can create a new account there, or you can link to your Google account. I have created to my Google account. So after this, what you need to do, you just click get started. Once you click get started, you can see we have two options: create a project or import project. I have developed a project using the children immunization, that is the app. So suppose you want to create a new package, new project, just click create new project. Here you can give a project name. Say I give it my project or something like that, my app. Okay, my app better. Okay, so my app is the project name. So next, then it is asking what is the app name. Just to write apps, right? Okay, my app, and I have written apps. The theme I am putting it here, dark theme. So I am selecting the minimum SDK, that is 21. Package name you can put it com.myapp.apps. Fine. Okay, and the remaining things it is there as it is. The primary color, all the things are there as it is. Don't disturb and just finish it. Okay. So once you created, can you see you developed my app? Okay, the project name is my app, and you see a screen already it is appearing in front of you, right? So you can see the screen here in front of you. Now clicking the screen here, already it is clicked here screen 1, and you click it here screen 1. You can see all the things, all the properties in the right hand side. That is the screen 1 properties. Okay, here the alignment and everything, you can see the screen name also it is there. So if you want to change the default name, what is the screen 1 it is given. So instead of screen 1, the title you can write login page or sign up page. Sign in, SIGN, sign in. Alright, sign in. Okay, so can you put it here? Okay, I put it SI sign in. Is it clear? So this is the sign in, login or sign in, it is the same thing. Okay, so once you enter it here, you can see it is there as sign in. Okay, so now what you need to do in this page, my purpose is that I want to create a login page. For that I need some sign up also, because I have to register, then only I can log in. This I want to connect to some Firebase database. So here we will having two components. One component will be the text box. What you see under this, there are user interfaces. Go to the user interface, click user interfaces. From the user interfaces, go to the text box. One text box you put it here. Okay, and another text box also you put it here. So these are the two text boxes. Okay, so if you want to put any gap in between them, then what you need to do, you just go for a label. Okay, so label you take it here and you put the label in between that one. Okay, so this will see, don't worry for these things and this one. So clicking this text box 1, so you can put whatever things you like it here. What is the background color? Suppose I want the background color. Okay, the background color I put it something like that. So okay, light color, I put it amber. Say I put it amber color, right? Okay, then the font size I can change it here. Yeah, this is the font size. Can you check it here? Yeah. Check it, set, right? So now the font size I can make it 12 size. Okay, enter. So this is the font size it is coming. And what is the thing it has is supposed to come there? The text color is okay. Hint. Okay, you can put the, yeah, just wait 1 minute. Height is there, automatic is there. Then hint color. Hint, you can write it here. This is the email text box. Okay, so I write it is the email underscore text box. Okay, text box. Okay, the name just I am giving one name. You can give a name. I am giving email text box, right? So this is the email text box. Okay, so now I put it here. So while clicking it here, this one email text box, so you can put it the text alignment here, center. Okay, okay, this text alignment is not there, but the this one is required. Yeah, this screen is required. This screen one. So in this screen one, the alignment I can put it center. Right? Okay. So then the text box, what I am putting it here. So it is okay. Text box, that color and text color just you put it white, because I don't want anything to visible there. Fine. So set it there. So clear. Now it is there. Now similarly coming to the second one, just you type it here, click it here, text box 2. So the same thing we put it here, the background color. Okay, background color you can put it the same, amber or something like that. Yes. Okay, and set it. Okay, this is the color it is showing. Then the font size you can create it 12. Fine. Then the font, okay, it's there, background is there, font size is there. Then hint is you write as password text box. Okay, this is the password text box. Okay, text box. Okay, this is the user ID and this is the password text box. Okay, so fine, enter it here. So this is there, and remaining are as it is, nothing to worry. Then suppose from the top also I want a label. So in that case what you have to do, take a label and insert here at the top. Okay, so here in the text box, clipping it here, the text box label 2 and the text color, I think it should not be visible, just remove it here. Fine, set it. Now is it clear? You can clearly see this is the login, the sign in page, and you can take a button for that one also. Yeah, in the user interface, take a button and put the button here, right? So while you are putting this button, so similarly suppose you want to make a gap, just take a label and put it here, there, right? So then the color of this text, yeah, text color, you can put it white, so automatically it will disappear, right? Set it, right? Now this is the sign in, the text box, it is there. So you can put it here, the font size also you can make it something like 12. Okay, so font type it there, and also background color of this one. No, I want this one. Okay, the background color I want this type. Okay, set. Okay, this text box, it is coming like that. So this is there, and font height and everything is there. Now the shape image text box for button. So this is the login button. Okay, so this is the text, it should be okay, login. So you can type it here, login button actually, login shift underscore button, button, right? Enter. Okay, okay, text is login. Okay, and the, okay, it is login, there is no problem. right, none, save, image, center, enter, it is one, everything is there. Okay, test call is there. So now the login sign in page you have done. The sign in page you have already successfully completed. It's clear. Now the thing is that we have to go for the blocks. You have to go for the blocks. So while it is here login and I go for the blocks, that means once you click it here, it is to login, some action it has to take place, right? So then where is that your button? So it is the button one. When the button one it is there, you can see all these conditions, you can check it here, right? Now the condition is here like this. Got 1 minute. So now we can check. First of all, we have taken when the submit button is clicked, then in the if condition, if the email text box here it is showing equal to, so we put it here not equal to. Okay, that means in the email text box, suppose some data is not there. Get it now? So in that case, that we have to do something. If then the condition will be there. Okay. Then what we do? We just go for this. Just click this if here. Okay. Just click it here. Okay, then what we do, just to click it here and then once you right click it here or just to double click it here, just double click here, yeah, can you see it? Just click it here, then you can see else if and else is there. This else, what you do, you click it or drag and drop it here inside this. It should be empty initially, just you put it here. Once you put, then this if it was then if else condition it will appear there, right? Now what we do, say suppose if this condition is there, then that means email is empty. Then what is the things it will show? So you have to go for the notifier. You have to go to the notifier. In this notifier, you will find something like that. Some show alert it will come. So yeah, can you check it here? The show, because some alert message should come there. So call show. Yeah. So show text box, show spinning, and show this one, show password, so choose this one, so warning, show programming, dismiss this one, so alert it will come somewhere. You can check it here, dismiss the problem, error, log, show alert. Can you see? Notify one, show alert it will come. Okay. The show alert, this one you bring it and drag it and put it in the here in the else. Okay, clear? So in the notifier it will show some alert. What is that alert? So for alert in this notice it will come in the form of some message, right? So in that case, where you get this message here, see, if you see here, the message will come in the form of text and you take some thing like that. This is the text and you can drag and drop it here. Okay, so this is the message, it will come there. Okay, then what you do in this if here, what you have done it here, if, then right click, duplicate, inside the then you put it here. Okay, so in the if, right click, duplicate. Okay, then This one you put it inside. Where you I put it? I put it in the then. Okay, can you see here? Then here this, because why I want to do all the things, because one is for email, another will be for the password. Okay, so this is the password text box. Text box is equal to, this is not equal to this one, then like that. Got it now? So in the first case, okay, email text copy, so it is password, it is done there. Now what we do, in the last one, please enter the email. Say if this password is empty, there is no password, then what is the thing should write? Please enter the password. Here you can write, so please, please enter the password, password. Please enter the password, right? Please enter the password. Similarly, that means if the password is empty, then the notification note in the alert what will show, please enter the password. Similarly, if the email text box, the text is empty, that not equal to, so it is not there. So in that case, what will show? It will show, please enter the email. It will show please, please enter the email. Okay, please enter the email. So these are the things it has to show, right? So now once it is there, then the thing is that if the then we have to check the authentication. If it is nothing there, it is showing that please enter the password, please enter the email. So if there is some text written in the email text box and all the password, then it has to go for the authentication. In the authentication, you go to the Firebase authentication. Okay, in the Firebase authentication, you see we are having two types. One is the login page and one is the sign up page. Okay, so we are going for the login here. So we can take call Firebase authentication email password login. You bring it and put it under this, then right now in the email, what is the email? It should be the same email here. Right click and duplicate, right? So same thing, drag and drop it here in the email, right? Similarly, for the password, here you can see the password, it will be the same thing here. Right click and duplicate, so it is there. Password will be the same as here, right? So you got it now. Now in the authentication, what is telling? First of all, it is checking validation if the email text box is empty. If it is not empty, if it is empty, then it will show that please enter the email. If it is password is empty, it will show the enter the password. If some data is there, then it will go for the checking where the Firebase authentication, because two type of things are there in the one is the Firebase database and Firebase authentication. Firebase database, what is the data? It can be hacked, and so in that case it will be trouble. So in that case, in the Firebase authentication, the entire thing is secure. So in that case, it cannot be easily decoded. So that is the reason we go for this Firebase authentication. This Firebase authentication, it is checking if all these cases are there. That means the email in the text box and email in the password, if it is matches with the what you have given. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do next, that only will do now. Now what you need to do, so we are in the sign in page. In the sign in page, what you need to do, so we have two options. There will be either there will be two options for you. One is the login failed and one is the login successful, right? So we take this login fail, I put it here, and also we go for this login successful or login succeeded. Okay, this I put it here, right? So these are the two things available with us now. Now what we need to do, okay, so now, yeah, but just 1 minute. So now when you go for this Firebase authentication, we just go to the notification. In the notification we will find two things are there. The notification show authentication, just you see show authentication, you can show notification, show authentication, it will be there, notification dismiss, notification spinning, notification, so just 1 minute, so message, so picker, progress, dialog, check, customer message, thing, great, these are the things. Okay, so we just search it because we have to check it and then we have to do it. So what we do it here, when the Firebase authentication login failed, so in that case what we have done, it will come some show alert, that is the notification, it will show that login failed. Okay, here you can say it login failed, right? So we can check it here, it is login failed, log in failed, FAILED. Okay, so this is the case, it will show if the Firebase authentication login failed. But another thing is that we are having the login success. Okay, so in this login success what we do, you just go to the control. So if it is success, what it will do, it will go to another page. Okay, it will go to another page. Okay, open some other page. Okay, so now open, so GHA, get it, open another screen name. So you can see here, open another screen with the start value screen name. Okay, so you can see open another screen, can you see the open another screen. Okay, so that you can put it here, or we check it here 1 minute, so we can check it here also, there is no issue. So in that case what we will do, in the control we go for this open another screen, some screen name that it will come. Okay, this you drag and drop it here. Okay, so here in the meantime what we do, what is the screen, we have to give a new screen. The screen, it is not the screen, just no, it is not like that. Okay, so it will put another screen. So for that you take the text, so you write the screen name, yeah, you can write the screen name here. Suppose I want to open a new screen, that is the home screen, Okay, so now that if it is success, it will open a new screen, the screen name is home page. So for that what we need to do, now you come to the design page. In the design page what you will do, so you go for add screen, the name of the screen you give it home. Okay, screen, give it home. Okay, so in this home screen just you create it here, in this home screen okay, it is coming here, just you put a label here. So just you, whatever things are there, you drag and drop a label here. Okay, this label you select it here, the label you select it here. In this label you put it size is equal to 12, and it's okay. And then what is the, selecting the label, what is the alignment, text alignment, you put it the center. Okay, so the label one, so just wait for some time. Let the background color is okay, because is okay, default is there, font type there, text is there, so something right, welcome to to home page. Okay, so something write it there, same thing it is to be displayed. So welcome to home page, and here selecting all the things, the label, it should be text assignment, it should be left. Okay, whatever things are there, and selecting this thing, label. So width make it full, there is no problem. Okay, so then selecting this one, then you put it text alignment, you put it in the center. Now it will come. Welcome to the home page. Okay, or welcome to our home page. Fine. So remaining things you can do it here, and the text color, suppose you want something bluish color or something, that you put it here, set color, there is no problem. So welcome to our home page. Okay, so now what we have done, you go back to our screen 1. You go back to our screen 1. So in the screen 1 we have given, so if the email ID is empty, it will ask you please enter the email ID. If the password is empty, it will ask you enter the password. If user email ID and password is there, it is going for authentication from this Firebase. Okay, if both are success and you press the login button, then it is directing you to another page. Okay, so now so this is the entire thing about creating the sign in page and the home page. But in the meantime, it will not work because we have not created the sign up page. Okay, the registration page. So in our next video we are going to create a sign up page, and once everything is okay and the code is okay, then what we are going to do, then we are going to the test. In the test we have to go for the connect to companion. For this what you need an Android phone. In the Android phone you go to the your Kodular companion, you have to download and install. Then once you click this one, so suppose I click it here, connect to this one, so one your some code it will appear like this. Okay, so once you scan it, then you can clearly see the entire things. Okay, fine. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and please take care of yourself.